Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 2nd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly Euro Yen, I still believe that we're in a big wave C. I think this first move up is an A. I think this is 3 waves down for an A, B, C, a B. And I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which is probably eventually going to end up looking something like that. Most likely making its way all the way up to about the 165 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see the last bigger ABC correction. Ever since that point, we've been making higher highs, higher lows the whole time. We are not bouncing off any fib levels. We are not taking out any structure. The trend is definitely still up, and I think that it will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the daily time frame is where you can start to see some of these smaller ABCs. We have a most recent one right here, 3 ways down, impulsive up. A nice little uptrend ever since. We do have a nice little move down right here, which on the shorter time frames does kind of look like it needs to form like a 3-way pattern before it actually heads back up. So let's keep all this higher time frame information in mind as we go down to the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour, we do have a little bit of a break of structure here, which probably will tell us that this section of trend is over. Now it very easily could just keep on drifting up like that. Sometimes that definitely does happen, but to me it looks more like this is a trend telling me that it probably is a wave A. I think this move up here is going to be a wave B, and I think there's a very good likelihood we're going to go down for a C before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. Now today we do have NFP for the US dollar, and that definitely usually does affect the yen pairs, so we're going to have to keep an eye on these things because like I said, it very easily could just keep on drifting up since the higher time frame trends are for sure still up. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, now you can start to see what I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape down. Kind of looks to me like an A. This looks like an A, B, and now we're in a C of wave B, so A, B, C, a B. So if this does bounce off like the 50% level, make a nice impulsive move, then that's probably going to be the end of an A, B, C, a B, and it will probably go down and make that wave C just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. Now if it never makes that impulsive move down and it never breaks structure, then I will not be going short, but instead I'll just continue to look for longs because if we never get a structure break to the downside, it very easily could just keep on drifting up. And if it does keep on drifting up and it never breaks structure to the downside, we'll just continue to look for longs the whole way up. So don't forget to join me on my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.